Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Page. Today I'll guide you through how to log in to your Minnesota State Retirement System MSRS account. MSRS provides state employees with access to retirement benefits, savings plans, and account management tools. Let's walk through the login steps together. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter account.mss.state.mn.us into the address bar to access the website. I added this website link in the description field. You can click from there. In the website that opens, type your username here, type your password here, and click on the Login button. If you don't remember your password, click here, and that's it. Logging into your MSRS account is simple and secure. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to MSRS support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Login Page for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video, and good luck managing your retirement with Minnesota State Retirement System.